We are tracking the potential for severe weather here on WDSU, which is why it's a WDSU first warning weather alert day. Scott Pillier joining us now with this line of what looks to be pretty strong storms that are going to make their way through overnight.
Yeah, Randy, and there have been some trends that are a bit concerning from some of our high-res forecast models, and that's why the Storm Prediction Center upping and upgrading the threat for severe thunderstorms for the North Shore, South Shore, and Mississippi coast. If you were watching our noon broadcast yesterday, we only had a marginal threat, a level 1 out of 5 for severe storms, now a level 2, so still not a top tier threat. You can see the bar here at the top of the screen. This is still a slight risk, which means that it's not a widespread severe weather outbreak per se, but certainly the concern is there for damaging winds as the primary threat, winds that could be in excess of 45 to even 60 miles per hour. The area that's highlighted in red, that's where the Storm Prediction Center noting slightly better probability for seeing more numerous showers and storms that could reach severe potential, winds of 45 to possibly 60 plus miles per hour. So the big concern is the damaging wind threat, but again, slim concern for some hail, generally pea to possibly marble in size. Flooding threat looks low. That's the good news. We've been very dry. Beneficial rain at that, anywhere between 1 to 2 inches of rain expected. And although the tornado threat is low, it's not zero. And I want to run through some of the latest forecast model guidance, but also show you where we've got the heaviest rain and storms right now. You can see we've got some big time storms that are already firing up near the Houston metro. Because of that, the Storm Prediction Center, in conjunction with the local National Weather Service offices in Lake Charles and Houston, has posted a tornado watch towards our west through 6 p.m. I think that we will also see a tornado watch this evening. So through the afternoon, not a whole bunch of hazards to talk about. It's going to be warm, it's going to be breezy and very muggy. But by the time we get to late afternoon and early evening, a couple of spotty showers and a stray stronger storm is possible between about 4 and 7 p.m. But the big time frame to watch is between 9 o'clock and about 2 o'clock in the morning. That's why we've got a WDSU first warning weather alert day because of the possibility of the overnight severe storms. By 9 o'clock, notice we've got some storms beginning to move in to western sections of Tangipahoa Parish. By 11 o'clock, much of the North Shore and river parishes from Norco, Lutcher, all the way down through Vacherie and Thibodaux. Heavy rain and storms. The good news is that this line will be moving quickly. And again, the big concern is with damaging winds within this line. There could be 1 or 2 embedded tornadoes. So please make sure you've got our app downloaded and have a way to receive weather alerts overnight. By the time we get to 1 to 2 o'clock in the morning, this rain is going to be moving out of here, and we are gearing up for a beautiful weekend forecast. We just have to get on the other side of this whole batch of rain. How much rain are we talking? Generally speaking, 1 to 2 inches of rain. So this will be mostly beneficial, but there could be some localized flash flooding for a brief period of time. That's why we've got, again, through early tomorrow morning, the weather alert day. After about 2 to 3 a.m. This is going to be moving out, and the weekend forecast is spectacular. Cooler Friday, warming up by Saturday into Sunday. And Randy, look at early next week. Somewhat of a March chill by early on Tuesday morning. Temperatures on the North Shore down into the 30s.
Yeah, go find your jackets.
Yep.
Even the coats. If you're on the North Shore, man, those 30s are going to definitely wake you up on that Tuesday morning. All right, Scott, thank you.